So today we're at 2183 Austin Court in Burlington, Ontario, in the Orchard. It's awesome here.
4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms. It's fully renovated and there's a beautiful pool in the back.
Speaking of which, can we go now?
Not yet, Justin.
This kitchen is to die for. Beautiful quartz countertops, amazing custom cabinetry with brass hardware, stainless steel appliances, including a beautiful gas stove.
Hey, are we ready yet? Now? Yes? No?
No.
Damn it.
This primary suite features an office loft, and this bathroom is a perfect place to decompress after a long day.
Now?
Not yet, Justin. Come on, say the thing.
Fine. So upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. This bathroom's completely renovated as well. Good?
Not only will the kids love the finished basement, but they'll be enjoying this backyard all summer long.
There's no need for a cottage when you get a backyard like this. Now? All right. Oh my God.